All right, let's talk about something that's on pretty much everyone's mind these days. Artificial intelligence and what it means for our jobs. This is a huge topic, so let's just dive right in. Now, just so you know, all the info we're covering today comes from Chapter 9 of a course called An Introduction to Artificial Intelligence for Students ages 12 to 15, which was put together by Virtualization Options LLC. So let's get straight to the point. The big question, the one everyone's a little nervous about. Will a robot take my job? You know, it's a thought that can be kind of scary, and it's a totally fair question to ask as AI gets smarter and smarter. To really answer that, we have to understand that AI is definitely changing the world of work, but maybe not in the way you're picturing. It's a massive shift for sure, and figuring out how to ride that wave is going to be the key to your future. First, let's get some perspective here. Big shakeups in the job market, they're nothing new. Seriously, when cars were invented, think about all the people making horse-drawn carriages. They had to adopt. When computers showed up in offices, everything changed. AI is just the next big chapter in that long story of innovation. And here's the most important part. While some jobs will absolutely change, technology has always been this incredible engine for creating brand new jobs, entire career fields that nobody could have even dreamed of before. So what does that look like with AI? You can really see the two sides of the coin here. So on one side, yeah, jobs that are super repetitive like data entry or some basic factory work, those are probably going to get automated. But on the other side, we're seeing all these amazing new careers pop up, like AI trainers who literally teach AI systems what to do, and AI ethicists who make sure we're using this tech for good. So the real story isn't that jobs are vanishing, it's that they're evolving. And if you want some hard numbers, check this out. The World Economic Forum did the math. They figure that while AI might take over about 85 million jobs around the world, it's expected to create, get this, 97 million new ones. That's a net positive. The future isn't about fewer jobs, it's about different jobs. So what do these new jobs actually look like? This is where it gets really, really exciting. We're not just talking about boring desk jobs. We're talking about dynamic, super important careers on the cutting edge of, well, everything. First up, robotics engineer. I mean, come on, how cool is that? These are the people who are actually designing and building the robots of the future. Imagine creating a rover to explore Mars, or a robot that helps surgeons perform delicate operations, or one that can go into a disaster zone that's too dangerous for people. It's this perfect mix of building things and brilliant coding. Then you've got data scientists. Think of them like modern-day detectives. They get to dig through mountains of data to find hidden patterns and clues that help solve huge problems. And they do this for pretty much any industry you can think of, from making healthcare better to creating awesome entertainment to even helping sports teams win. Next is a role that's becoming so important, the AI ethicist. As AI gets more powerful, we need people asking the really big questions, like, is this AI fair? Is it safe? Does it respect people's privacy? These people are like the conscience of the AI industry, making sure all this powerful tech actually serves humanity in a good way. And hey, for all you gamers out there, listen up. Game designers are using AI in incredible ways now. They use it to create smarter, more realistic characters that react to what you do, and even to automatically generate huge, entire game worlds. It's this awesome blend of pure creativity and high-tech skill, letting you build those amazing worlds you've always wanted to play in. Okay, so you've seen all these amazing possibilities for the future. The obvious next question is, what can you do right now to get ready for this AI-powered world? Well, the great news is, you're at the perfect age to start building the exact right skills. It really just comes down to focusing on 4 key things. First, learn some coding basics. It'll help you speak the language of AI. Second, get really good at problem solving. Thinking critically and finding creative solutions that an AI just can't. Third, lean into your creativity. Art, music, writing, whatever it is, because that's uniquely human. And finally, work on your social skills. Things like communication, empathy, and being a good teammate are going to be more valuable than ever in a world full of tech. And all of that brings us to the final and probably most important point. The people who are going to do great in the age of AI aren't the ones trying to beat machines at their own game. No way. It's going to be the people who team up with AI, who complement it with those amazing human skills: creativity, critical thinking, and good judgment. So the real takeaway is this. The future isn't you against AI, it's you with AI. And the question isn't, will a robot take my job? The real question is, How am I going to use these incredible new tools to build an amazing future?